Yeah, S.L.P, you know, alright. I'm outside S.L.P, Vincent, your car. I mean, alright. Hey, Judah. You about to go murk this nigga. Alright, yo. So we do that niggas keep talking. Yo, we gotta murk this nigga, Judah. Let's murk this nigga, son. He keep talking shit. Yo, Vincent, yo, you gotta fuck this nigga up, son. He keep talking shit. Fuck him, son. Just fuck him, son. Fuck him up, son. Fuck him up. You about to do this nigga, Judah. You about to do this nigga, Judah.
Stand clear of the closing door.